chainsaw. Chainsaw delivering a knee to the midsection. Dallas in trouble. She's turning blue. Chainsaw trying to pick up Olympia. It's a difficult task, but she's dumping her down. Oh, a big kick to the midsection. Spike's getting the blowtorch. What's she gonna do? D'Amato's gotta do something. Dallas is over there injured. Spike's got the blowtorch. The blowtorch is lit. Dallas is coming too. She sees the torch, but she's in a daze. She's defenseless. Oh no! Oh! Oh my! Oh! They lit the torch! They've sparked it! Dallas has been burned! Dallas has been burned! I've got to call in the paramedics! Spike has burned Dallas! They torched her face! The entire face was lit on fire!